Okay, well, right now it is April 14th, I believe. We are undoing the hive today, so we're taking all the insulation and everything out. If you can see, the bees are really wild today. It's in the 80s, so yeah. Well, we just took the insulation off. We still have the insulation on the top for right now, but we're going to take that off as well. The bees are getting a little feisty.
I wouldn't even call them feisty yet.
I hear them.
You can hear bees there, for they're feisty.
Yes. If you hear bees, they're feisty. They glued it.
A little bit.
They have a drone on top. Woof. And we are probably gonna do we're gonna check them out, make sure they're all doing good, which by the look of it, I'm pretty sure they're doing really good. But we are going to do a split today, if all goes well.
Bunch of drones. See it clean on here. Bunch of pollen.
I do see pollen.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. All 8 frames are covered.
Up
bees.
top?
Yep, hold on. 8 frames up top of these.
Okay. I'll probably show you a little bit better.
Straight into the bottom box.
Try and get my glove on. Hey, jump. Never mind. Actually, since you now picked it up, you want to pull the glove? No, on. No, just the wrist. No, I don't go up there. It's just.
Couldn't get an angle on the fingers.
Oh. Ooh. A lot of bees under there.
Looks like 8 frames of bees down here.
So we're definitely going to be doing some splits today.
And some queen cups.
Is it full? So we'll put this two. So we'll put that one in the new box.
Well, that means we need to find the queen and put her in the new.
In the new one? Yeah.
So basically, assuming there's queen cups down there too. Okay.
So we have to go through each one, even top.
I can't actually see if she's in there. Yeah, there's an egg in there already.
Okay.
So we're a little bit late, which is to be expected. We've been too busy. I'm glad to see the bottom boxes full of bees too, because for a long while they just weren't coming in and out of the bottom. They were just using the top exit. Okay.
Yeah, so if you see,
Find her and get her moved into there.
I'm gonna move her
Make sure she doesn't have any queen cups in there, so she
into
doesn't
there.
get out of that.
And we're just putting it in here for now, and then we're going to put them into a different location.
Well, no, the nuke's gonna stay there, but we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take one box and move it all the way to the back,
We have, okay.
and then I'm gonna put the queen in there. Hopefully, find her, and then one box will stay here.
Shit.
So we're doing a triple split.
Okay. Okay. I thought it was a bee crawling up my leg. It was a tick. First tick of the year. Woohoo!
It's not gonna stay here, but I just wanna move this box right over so we can
Look for the queen.
go through things a little easier.
Okay. So right now we're taking that out, these out of here, so we could go put the new stuff in to that box. Yeah. I wanna, of bees.
Rude.
I'm gonna check the side. I see a drone.
On the edge. A queen cup on here as well.
Is there?
Problem's gonna be finding frames of queens cups.
Well, we'll destroy them.
Yes. Okay, look. Let me phrase that. The problem's gonna be finding.
You have a couple bees falling off. I think the drones though.
Okay.
Do you want to put one in there for now?
Yeah, just to get it out of the way. That is beautiful.
I know, it's gorgeous, guys.
That is beautiful. Now let's catty-walk into this hello.
Let me see.
On the bottom.
I see some not queens, some drones. This one's like filled with drones.
I'm not sure they're all drones. Okay, yeah, this side's mostly drones. Because the comb's not flat.
Yeah.
So that's why. But these are definitely drones.
That breeze feels nice for us.
I think it was looking at them already swarmed.
Don't they usually swarm like after a nice rain?
Like tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yeah, like tomorrow.
The screen might be small then.
This is also true.
Ooh, I want to see that.
Sorry, I can't see. Do you have a flashlight?
Yeah.
Larvas. Little larvas and eggs.
Okay. So that's a good one too. Yeah. I'm gonna.
It's pretty well filled in, but there are eggs, so that means she was here not too long ago.
What about underneath? On the bottom. And I don't want to get in front of the door. No, that's a drone.
There's a bee on my foot. Well, on my ankle.
Oh, hold on. Turn it back to me. So, oh no, I thought I saw paint.
That's the tall one.
That one's definitely wobbly. Do you think you see her?
I'm trying to see if she already backfilled these with, yeah, just more eggs.
She technically could have gone back down, but
She's probably down. These eggs are all towards the bottom, so she would have, if she was gonna jump down.
Did you even see this side?
Yeah.
No, I didn't think you did.
Just putting it in backwards.
Okay. Unless the queen died, and that's why they're making so many cups. That's a drone. That's a big boy. Yeah. Yep. I'd say she could be in this one.
Looks like she...
Do we have a hider?
Looks like these just hatched out. I don't think there's eggs back in them yet. No, these just hatched out and there's no eggs in here.
Okay. Careful. Oof.
This is lots and lots of drones and honey.
Is there? Yeah. Is she trying? This is like a whole drone case. Getting ready for the. Hold up, John. The color is different and everything. She might have been underneath there. Because it looked like I saw a longer one. I could be wrong, but I thought I saw.
She shouldn't be here. It's all filled with drones.
Like I said, I could be wrong, but I thought I saw. It's just a tail butt going in, but the way it looked, right? No? It looked like a tan.
Yeah, it's drone.
I'm going against the wall.
They're drones. And this one is basically all drones.
Another all drones? Let me see this side.
All drone. All drone code. So, those drones should stay in here.
I'm just double checking the one thing to make sure that there's no queens on them.
Okay.
That one has nothing.
Yeah, I'm going to juggle things around a little. This over here.
It's to go with the
That's got queen cells on it, some nice ones.
Okay, so this one right now is going with the original queen. And that's going with a new place. Okay, so this is all set for to be one by itself. There was no queen in it. This is where the new queen's going to be once we find her. And down here, 1 or 2 new splits, because this box is filled. So yeah, we'll keep on going. Okay, so, and the ones that we're making right now that has the queen cells in them, we put a feeder in there because it doesn't have a lot of.
Yes, there is.
Where?
Came out. Okay, it came out. It came out.
I'm like, I didn't see it. Was it in your shirt? Oh, okay.
Got luck, flew right up in there.
Okay. So I hear the beat, the airplane. So what we're gonna do in here is we're gonna feed it because there's no queen, no nothing. Just there's some eggs. Is there any food in there at all?
Huh? A little bit.
Okay, so only a little bit of feed with the new one that we're putting out. So we're gonna feed that one.
You know where my hat tool is.
We found the queen. Can you find her?
Oh, I guess I should have waited a minute.
So he's gonna grab the queen out. I'm gonna put her in here
No, we no longer have to be gentle. I mean, we're still going to be gentle anyway. But...
to make sure. So this is where the queen's gonna be in now. But at least now we have the queen. We're gonna keep her away. That means we know she's not in here.
Down here yet, so that's good.
But we're gonna check out everything else.
So,
And this is,
go get one of those other ones back if there are no cells down here.
and then put a cell in here.
Yeah.
Okay, because the other one has quite a few cells.
Yep. We'll just go grab one of those and switch it out for one of the resource ones we just found.
Yeah. And we had to take a break before, guys, because the bee kept on trying to attack us. He didn't like us being over here. I'm just glad I'm the one who found the queen.
Larvas. Some more drones. And it looks like she just started to get into the bottom box.
Okay.
Because
This is all food and stuff?
not a lot of laying. And no
Cap brood.
queen caps.
Oh yeah, so far. So yay.
Queen cap free.
That one has a little brood in it.
Most of the rest of it's got eggs.
Okay. So they can make more babies. But especially if we're going to take the queen or a thing. And
Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any queen cups down here.
Cool. If I see anything. Okay, so this is our queen, original queen's new home, because they were gonna swarm. They had a lot of different swarm cups in the box, but so we are moving her to a new location, so it's gonna think that she actually swarmed. You always want to move the new queen, the old queen, to a new box if they're gonna swarm, because it tricks their mind into thinking that they swarmed already.
That'd be the idea.
So that's this one. This one's done. Woohoo!
Oh, I still gotta release her.
Oh yeah, we gotta release her.
Yeah, go.
But hold this then. I'll release her. Anything on my leg?
No.
This is where I get stung.
Probably shouldn't have thrown her.
I don't know. I think she's out.
She probably flew away. Why did you do that?
I didn't. She didn't fly. I saw things go down. Well, you're the one who told me to do it.
Let her go, not throw her. She's light enough to... Yeah, we should probably delete all that.
Nope. Woohoo!